Hey guys, Model Rocks 321 here for a park flight today. We're gonna fly here in the park for a quick little flying saucer action on a C60. We're gonna get a couple flights off on this. Kind of breezy out here. Got the freeway over there, but we're gonna get a couple flights off. It's Model Rocks 321. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to use the S.51 discount code. Get yourself some engines, some rockets, whatever you need. Also, check the links below for some more stuff. This is Model Rocks 321. We're gonna get this flight off going in a couple seconds. All right, guys, Model Rocks 321 here. We got the flying saucer going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And coming down for a hard landing. Well, it's breezy out here, so it went into the wind, and there we go. Hit kind of hard. It's kind of fighting the wind. These fly really good when there's no wind. Let's see if we got everything, all of our antennas. Everything's still there, everything intact. Legs are there. Yeah, good one. Good flight. So we're gonna do this a couple more times, guys. Model Rock 321. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. So that was the first flight of the flying saucer. It is windy. So I'm gonna get one more off, maybe two, we'll see. But this breeze is steady picking up here in Arizona. So we're gonna come out to pad now. I'm gonna set this up. Breezy day, Model Rock 321 in the park, doing a little park launch. Park launch. So yeah, guys, we're gonna do this flying saucer one more time. We're gonna get another flight up on a C60. I ain't gonna say one more time, I might do one more. But it is really windy out here today. I think something coming through the area. Temperature's gonna drop again. It's like 85 right now. But here we go. All right, here we go, Model Rockets flying saucer. We are going in 3, 2, 1. There we go, we got better altitude that time. The wind was a little bit chill. Look at it bouncing on the ground and rolling in the wind. Watch that. Yeah, it got better altitude because the wind had calmed down and I did a 3 launch or a 3 count. Not bad. Flying saucer doing its little thing. Fun little park flyer. When you got, I see the legs getting bent up. Yeah, it's hitting kind of hard. Ooh, bent the antenna. Yeah, it's taking a beating today, but I'll straighten that out or I'll fashion some new ones as I need. But yeah, we're gonna do one more. Might as well. I got a little pack of these, going to use them all. I'm seeing this red on the bottom of the motors now. That's different. I've never really seen the color red come out of S.51 engines. So I wonder if they're playing around with the formulations. So we're gonna keep this going. Model Rocks 321. Be sure to visit the Model Rockets 321 Space Shop for logo tees, mugs, and other space-related merchandise. All right, and upcoming is the final flight of the flying saucer. Be sure to use the discount code at S.51. Check the links below. It's Model Rocks 321. Subscribe, hit the like button, do all that good stuff to help support the channel. And we will be going. Let this wind die a little bit. Model Rocks 321. Let's go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go, coming back down. Wind is pushing it, heading the right direction though. Bounced in the grass, and it landed upright this time. And that is the final flight for the day, guys. You just saw the flying saucer on a C60. Hit that like button, subscribe. It landed on its legs. It's supposed to be upside down when it lands, but that's pretty cool right there. I'll take that. I'll take that for an end of the day flight as a piece of paper blows by. Very cool. Very cool. Like I said, these are cool park flyers. Always have yourself some park flyers, guys. Something you could just take out and do something like this. They don't drift too far. Anything with a parachute is a bad idea, but this is a great day overall. It's good to get out and fly. Model Rocks 321. All right, it is debriefing time. Flew the flying saucer 3 times as you saw, just for a quick little Little park launch on a nice day, breezy day, really windy out there. I heard that the wind was going to be picking up, and it was getting stronger and stronger. But I wound up getting off 3 C60 flights on this guy right here. Went up, it's supposed to go up, turn over, and land like that. But the wind was pushing it around, it was getting curvy and hitting the ground, as you saw, kind of hard. But these things are pretty durable. It was hitting the side a few times, and it rolled around, and still good, still good. The legs are getting a little bent, like it lands like that. A couple of these are bent. It seems really straight that way, but when it sits, it seems really, it's kind of wonky, a little crooked, a little bit. But still a good flyer, just a nice park flying bird or UFO. If you guys get, you should find something like this just to fly, like small fields. Like, that's it. You don't need a lot of space for these. They pretty much go up and land within 50 feet, if not less. Like, I've had them come really close to the pad sometimes, but today the wind was just a little too strong for it. Didn't get a lot of altitude. These can get up there pretty good, 350 feet or so. I've seen them get pretty high on very calm days. But today was a little breezy, but it was still fun to get out and launch something. Launching the Quest UFO. So this was fun. This was cool. Guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumb up button if you're new. Subscribe if you're new. Drop a comment. Use the discount code. Buy yourself some C60 engines. No delay in these. Just go up and they stopped. They'll throw some gases forward. You could also use these to stage. This is usually your booster stage engine right here. These go on the bottom and above. Anything with a number -7, -5, anything with a number behind it. That's where you goes on top of these. This will pop off. It'll ignite that top engine sustainer and it will go up. So there you go, guys. Model Rock 321. Subscribe to the channel for more.